I wanted to share with you today my Mysto Erector set. This is Erector set number 1, and it costs $1. And if you have it with the electric motor, it was an extra 75 cents apparently. But this one doesn't have the electric motor in it. Kind of an interesting set here that has the original box with the graphics on it. And this is the structural steel builder by the Mysto Manufacturing Company in New Haven, Connecticut. Some interesting things on here where it has this guy standing there saying, "Hello boys, what are you building?" with his hands out, and this guy looks pretty proud of what he's doing. He's busy up there with a screwdriver. "Come daddy, see what we built." So they're building, looks like a railroad trestle there, tower, flag on it, and it's set number 1. The back of it doesn't have anything on it. It has a $1 price sticker on there. Let's open it up here. So inside, it has the content list. Looks like someone's checked it off there, counted how many things are in there. You could get the electric motor, you could order that. The motor alone is $1. And on the front there, I guess if you bought it with this, it would be 50 cents or 75 cents. Anyway, there's kind of, then this still has the original manual, instruction manual. Shows how to build lots of things out of this kit. And it has a personal greeting from the president of Mysto Manufacturing. His name is Mr. Gilbert, apparently. There he is. "Dear boys, you are to be congratulated." So I guess you can send, at that time you could send him a message. Then here is a inspector's voucher dated June 16th, 1915. And it shows that this was inspected. Maybe that's who was checking off the parts here. I'm not sure. And here's some of the original parts in here. They're all steel. Some little pulleys here. Metal bars. I don't know if that's, well, that's the screwdriver that came with it. Some screws in there. Brackets, some nuts, washers. So probably not all the parts are here, but there's quite a bit in there. So from 1915, the Erector set number 1 by the Mysto Manufacturing Company.